What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. Today we are in the bushveld and we are preparing a delicious venison pot pie. I'm joking, we're not in the bushveld, we're in my kitchen somewhere in Joburg. So with that being said, we're going to make it a very simple recipe today. Some onions, mushrooms, garlic, oxtail soup, and we're going to be making the most delicious pot pie you've ever seen in your life. If you guys do enjoy the content, please remember to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get cooking. Okay, starting off, it's going to be real simple. We're going to cube one whole potato, which we're going to add later to our mix while we're busy boiling our sirloin. And in the meanwhile, we're going to chop up one onion, then add some cooking oil to our pot, add the onions, and then add about 1 liter of water, add our sirloin steak, and we'll leave it to braise for about 2 hours till it's nice and soft and we can shred the meat apart. When we're about an hour and a half in, we will go ahead and add our cubed potatoes as well. Okay, now we're just going to add our potatoes that we cubed earlier. And then also I just cut up about 200 grams of mushrooms, which I'll also be adding. And for the second last ingredient, we're adding 1 bowl of some canned corn. Okay, there we go, all done. It's been about 2 hours. The sauce is nice and thick that we add with the oxtail, the mushrooms, the onions and everything. We're going to pull out the meat now, shred it down, cube it whichever way you like. It's nice and soft, and then we're going to reduce down the broth and the soup mixture to a nice thick consistency. You could add some cornstarch to thicken it up, and then in the meanwhile we'll start lining our pan with our pastry. We'll be using normal puff pastry. Okay, this is going back on the stove. Let's reduce it down some more. Add about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Make it nice and thick. Alrighty, meat all diced up. Let's add it to our thick sauce. That rosemary stick from earlier, we'll grab that, pull it out, throw it away. Let's go ahead, give it a nice spray with some cook and bake non-stick spray, and then start lining our pastry on the inside and then cut off the excess on the outside. In the meanwhile, let's preheat our oven to 160 degrees. I'm going to put a top and bottom grill so we get it nice and crispy on the top. We're going to add the meat, the whole filling inside now, seal it off, and then egg wash it and then place it into the oven for 20 minutes. There we go, a beautiful venison pie. I'm going to leave it to cool down a little bit, it's still a bit hot. We'll give it about 3 or 4 minutes, flip it over, put it out of the pan, and then slice into it, and then we can get to the best part of the video, and that's the tasting. Give it a slice. Oh, look at the sauce. Wow. Oh, look at that. A beautiful venison pie. Now for the best part, let's give it a bite. Oh, look at that. This might take a while. It's getting there. That is absolutely amazing, my goodness. The flavor is so nice, the taste of the corn, the thickness of the potatoes and the sauce and everything, the crispiness of the pastry. That's absolutely amazing. I really hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, tag us on Instagram and Facebook at Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. But wow, that's really good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do remember, if you do enjoy the content, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe to stay updated with the latest content. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.